Namaste friends, welcome to the training session. Today's training is about how to put ad on Rocket Jobs. So first of all, open a browser and put in this address. I will also leave the link in the description. It's employer.myrocket.co. Once you open this website, you just have to click on login after clicking on the three lines, the hamburger button, and you put in your number, get OTP. Even if you're doing it for the first time, you'll be able to log in through the OTP, but you should not have a employee ID on this site. If you do have an employee ID, then employee ID is a one when you're seeking for a job. If you have that kind of an ID, so first you have to delete that ID. Okay, if it's the first time you're putting the ad, you will be getting a call from them, from Rocket Jobs, to verify your account, and there you have to add your PAN card and your name. You can do that in the company setting also. Put your PAN card and your name will come automatically, then the account gets verified. Then the ad will not stay in unapproved, it will get approved quickly. After you have logged in, you just have to click on post job, and then you can type the job role. When you start typing, it will give you the option to choose from. Then you just put a tick on this direct, allow candidates to call HR and allow direct interviews. This is very important. This way the candidate will be able to call you. Okay, then you can put in the name of the company that you're recruiting for, and you can put in the number of positions. I would suggest go with 10 if it's your first ad. Okay, put in the name of the city and the locality. Try to choose the locality which is where the onboarding office is closest. Okay, so if you're putting for Dunzo, then the candidate has to visit Dunzo office for onboarding. So try to put the job in that locality, or search the demand sheet first. Wherever the demand is high in that area, you use that as the locality. You can select the days of working, shift timing, and I generally keep the salary range between 25,000 to 30,000. Okay, and then you can put some pitch points, important points that will help the job seeker decide whether they want to apply with you or not. So put those points here and then click on continue. Just keep filling this form. It's very simple, very basic. Okay, try to put in as much you want, but don't put in over details. For example, where it says selected skills, in this you don't have to put anything really. Local awareness is more than enough. The more you put here, it gets filtered, then you get less leads. Okay, once you click on continue, you can review your ad and then click on post as a regular job at the bottom. That's how simple it is to post a job. The first time when you'll post it, it'll be unapproved. You can add slots from there for interview. Okay, you can choose whatever days you want the candidate to call you. So I generally pick up all days from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and I put it as a 15-minute interview and then click next. So if I'm not able to call them, I'm busy, I keep getting calls from the candidates directly. And you can easily duplicate the ad. All that you had entered earlier, everything will come as it is, and you can simply change the location. So like you're hiring for Dunzo in Delhi, you can hire for Dunzo in Hyderabad, in Mumbai, or you can hire for a different client also. But if most of the things remain common for a rider duty, so you can just duplicate the ad and then click on modifications that you need, and then click on post the job as a regular post. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for this, and you will get a lot of candidates. Getting candidates is the simplest thing to do, guys. I'm telling you again, this is the most easiest thing to do. So add the slots in this also. So the candidate can call you, and very soon it will get approved. If it is not getting approved, just give me a call or send me a screenshot. I'll see how I can get this approved. You will most probably get a call from the Rocket Job team, and it'll get activated from there. Okay, Once your jobs have been put in, all of them are there, then you can move on, and you'll get messages, you'll get emails that candidates are applying for your job. You can also go to the candidate tab. Once you get applications, then you can go to the candidate tab and download all the candidates data that have applied. Okay, so if you see here, there are, for first 24 hours after the candidate applies, the number is available for you to download for free. If you see these two numbers of Mahesh and the other one Anivesh, I can't download them now for free because the 24-hour period is over. But for the others, the numbers are available. I can just click on unlock contact and it'll unlock for free. And that's how I get my contacts, my leads from here. I click on the download button and then I click on view downloads, and then there is a download link button that I click. The Excel file gets downloaded, and there all the numbers are visible. I have created another database in which all these numbers get uploaded, and then I'm able to contact all these candidates from here. So you can also do this, guys. This is really simple, and similar to this there are other job sites also. There are job sites like Job Hai, Calm24, and many more. So you can take out some time and explore these job sites where probably you have been applying till date to get a job. Now look at the employer section and you will find posting a free job is very simple. Most of the sites allow you to create a freelancer account, a freelance recruiter account, where you just have to put in your PAN card and your name and your number. That's it. It's that simple. So this is the Job Hai site. You can apply for employer login here also. You can see my ads that have been posted here. So I hope you're able to follow this, and this helps you to create the leads. It's really very simple. This is one of the most easiest things to do. Once you have the leads coming in, then you can filter the candidates and you decide which candidate to be offered which job. You can move on to the next step once you get clarity on this one. So that brings us to the end of the session. Let me give you a recap now. You can open your browser to post the jobs free of cost in sites like Rocket Jobs, Job Hai, Calm24. You have to create your own profile, employer login, and then post a job. In your post job, try to keep the details as crisp as possible, and always put a tick where the candidate can contact you. Allow that. Okay, and keep your job active by quickly contacting the candidate. The more you are active on your job, the more your job ad will be active, so you will get more leads then. You can also duplicate your ad to a post for other locations or other clients, and then you don't have to create the ad from scratch. But whenever you're duplicating, make sure you modify the ad as per that client if you're changing the client. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or reach out to the person who shared this video with you. If you do not have any questions, you can move on to the next training or start posting the ad right away. Goodbye. Namaste. If you also want to work with me, then click on the link in the description. This is a work from home job opportunity. There is no joining charge, no training cost. You don't have to download any app or software or anything. You can work from your home and make good amount of money by putting in 2 hours a day and get free training and support whenever you need it. Let's connect today.